G of x equals square root a minus x over 3x squared plus bx has a natural domain described by the interval negative infinity to 0, union 0 to 2, union 2 to 5. Which of the following are the values of a and b? So for the domain, I'm actually going to rewrite this. I'm going to factor out an x on the bottom. We have 3x plus b. So for the domain, we want to make sure the square root inside the square root is greater than or equal to 0. And then we also want the denominator to not equal 0. So x cannot equal 0, and then 3x plus b cannot equal 0. So here, we'll subtract by a, divide by negative 1, and we have x is less than or equal to a. Here x cannot be 0, and then here we have 3x cannot be negative b, which means x cannot be negative b over 3. So if we have a number line, we're going to plot the values here, 0, 2, and 5. So we want to stop at 5. Basically, we want to include everything except 0 and 2. And then we stop at 5. So we're going to put an open circle here at 0 and 2. So we know it cannot equal 0. That's this one. It has to be less than or equal to a, and it cannot equal negative b over 3. Well, because it's less than or equal to, this is the less than or equal to right here, because it's including the 5. So a has to equal 5. So this is our a. So that takes care of that. And then we got the 0, got the 5. Now we need the 2. X cannot equal negative b over 3. Well, by process of elimination, that has to equal 2. So negative b over 3 has to equal 2, which means negative b equals 6. So b is negative 6. So the values of a and b are a equals 5 and b equals negative 6.